Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 20A from chapter Area and Perimeter of Plane Figures. So starting with question number 8. The given figure shows a right angle triangle ABC and an equilateral triangle BCD. Find the area of the shaded portion. So we are given the figure over here. Let's see what all information we have. We know that ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. So I'll draw it separately for better understanding. ABC right angled है. Of course it is right angle at B. From the figure itself you can say B is the right angle. Okay. We know BC is 8 centimeter and AC is 16 centimeter. It is given. Okay. What else? We know BCD is an equilateral triangle. तो BCD equilateral triangle है, which is a part of this triangle ABC. Okay, तो BC 8 centimeter है. Since all the sides are equal in equilateral triangle, तो ये भी 8 centimeter होगा, ये भी 8 centimeter होगा. Okay, BD and CD will also be 8 centimeter each. So BD is 8 centimeter. CD is also 8 centimeter. Okay. We need to find out the area of the shaded portion. तो ये जो shaded portion है, it is a triangle, है ना? This shaded portion is ABD. It is triangle ABD. So to find the area of this shaded portion, this triangle, what if I find out all the sides? Once I know all the sides, I can find out the area. Okay. So let's see if I can find out all the sides. So over here, AD कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? बहुत इजी है. AC minus CD will give me AD, है ना? So 16 minus 8, that is AD will be 8. All right. AB फाइंड आउट करना बाकी है. In triangle ABD, I know BD is 8, AD is 8. I need to find out AB. Okay. So AB कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? For that, you will consider this big triangle, that is ABC. This is a right angle triangle, so I can use Pythagoras theorem, है ना? So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? So BC कितना है? 8 है, तो 8 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, which is 64. Okay. And AC is 16, तो 16 का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? 256, right? So AB square will be 256 minus 64, so that is going to give 192, right? तो AB square is 192. AB will be root of 192. Root of 192 फैक्टराइज करके देखते हैं क्या मिल रहा है आंसर. 296 जा, 248 जा, 224 जा, 212 जा, 26 जा, 23 जा एंड 31 जा. सो सिंस स्क्वायर रूट है, दो दो का ग्रुप बनाएंगे. क्यूब रूट होगा तो तीन तीन का बनाएंगे एंड सो ऑन, राइट? सो 2 2 2 एंड दिस 1 3 इज लेफ्ट अलोन. ठीक है. सो 2 में से एक 2 बाहर आएगा, यहाँ पे भी 2 में से एक 2, यहाँ पे भी 2 में से एक 2, एंड दिस 3 इज लेफ्ट इनसाइड द रूट. ओके. सो 2 into 2 into 2 that gives 8 and 3 remains inside the root. So 8 root 3 centimeter. So AB मिलेगा 8 root 3. So for triangle ABD, now I have all the sides. So I can easily find out the area. This is an isosceles triangle. दो sides equal है. Okay. So दो sides equal है तो isosceles triangle के लिए फॉर्मूला है एरिया का, है ना? It is area of triangle ABD will be 1 by 4 into B into root of 4A square minus B square, where B is the base of the triangle, non-congruent side. तो ABD में non-congruent side कौन सा है? AB. Okay. So that will be B. B will be 8 root 3, and AD and BD are the congruent sides, which is A. Okay. तो A पता है, B पता है, put the values and you will get the area of triangle ABD, that is the shaded portion. Okay, in case you don't know this formula, isosceles triangle का formula नहीं पता है, you can use Heron's formula. Heron's formula में if you know all the three sides ABC, then using Heron's formula, what will be the area of the triangle? It will be root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides, three sides, and S is the semi perimeter. तो semi perimeter क्या हो जाएगा? Perimeter का आधा. Add all the three sides and divide by 2. This is a lengthier method, students. Why use this method? Use this only directly. Okay, तो isosceles triangle का formula ही हम लोग use करेंगे. I'll be using that. There is one more way of solving. You can find out the area of this big triangle ABC. Okay, ABC का area find out करेंगे minus area of this equilateral triangle BCD. So area of the entire portion minus area of the non-shaded portion will give me the area of the shaded portion. Okay, area of triangle ABC I can find out using half into base into height. ये 8 है, ये 8 root 3 मिल रहा है AB. So half into 8 root 3 into 8. Okay, that will give me the area of triangle ABC minus the area of equilateral triangle BCD. Equilateral triangle का भी formula मुझे पता है. It is root 3 by 4 into side square, which is A square. So I know the side, I can easily find out the area of this triangle. So subtracting the areas, I'll get the area of the shaded portion. But I'll be using the area of the isosceles triangle. Okay, I'll be using this formula. So let us solve now with proper steps. Now we have to find out the area of the shaded portion, which is triangle ABD. So to find out the area of triangle ABD, we are finding the sides AB, BD and AD. Okay, so first we'll find out AB. To find out AB, we'll be using triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle. Okay, so triangle ABC is right angled, where BC is 8 centimeter and AC is 16 centimeter. We know that. Okay, so AB easily मिल जाएगा because we know the other two sides. We know hypotenuse and another side. So using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Solve करेंगे. AB मुझे मिल रहा है 8 root 3 centimeter. Don't forget the units. Okay, तो AB मुझे मिल गया, एक साइड मिल गया for triangle ABD. Okay, which is the shaded triangle. Okay, so ABD, where AB we got 8 root 3. BD and AD find out करना है, बहुत easy है. To find out BD, we know BD is a part of equilateral triangle BCD. So triangle BCD is an equilateral triangle where BC is 8 centimeter. Okay, we know remaining sides will also be 8 centimeter. So BC, CD, BD all are 8 centimeters. So BD भी पता चल गया 8 centimeter है. Now finding out AD. To find out AD, we know AC is equal to AD plus CD. तो AC is AD plus CD. AC 16 है, CD भी 16 है, right? Because CD is a part of this equilateral triangle. तो all sides are equal, 8 होगा ये भी. Okay, so we just got that. तो CD 8 है, AD भी 8 हो जाएगा. Okay, so AD भी मिल गया. Now we know all the three sides. We know that this is an isosceles triangle, दो sides equal है. So we'll be using the formula of isosceles triangle to find out the area. Okay, so in triangle ABD, we know all the three sides. Let's write down the measurements of all the three sides. तो AB है 8 root 3 centimeter. Then BD equals to AD equals to 8 centimeter. So we know this is an isosceles triangle. So write down, therefore, triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle. So congruent sides A will be 8 centimeter and B क्या हो जाएगा 8 root 3, the base, that is non-congruent side. Okay, using the formula area of triangle ABD will be 1 by 4 into B into root of 4A square minus B square. You can use Heron's formula also, okay? But I feel that will be little complicated. उससे अच्छा यही use कर लो, okay? So 1 by 4 into B is 8 root 3 into root of 4 into A square, that is 8 square minus B is 8 root 3 का square, okay? 4 2s are, so 2 root 3 into we have 4 को अभी as it is रखो, पहले इसको square करो, okay? So 8 का square 64, so 4 into 64 minus 8 का square, दोनों का square होगा, 8 का square 64 and root 3 का square 3, okay? So 2 root 3. Over here students, what you can do is 4 into 64 करो and यहाँ पे 3 into 64 करो and then subtract. But why do that? 64 को common ले लो, 4 minus 3 in the brackets. 64 को common ले लिया, 4 minus 3 in the brackets. Okay? 4 minus 3 will give me 1. So it is going to be 64. Why multiply? So I'll get 64, root 64, which is 8. So 2 root 3 into 8, right? So 8 into 2, root के साथ तो multiply नहीं कर सकते, okay? So 8 into 2, that will give 16 root 3. Now don't keep this as it is, decimals में find out करो, okay? So root 2, root 3 का values you should be knowing students, up to 3 decimal places you should know the values, okay? So root 2 का 1.414 है and root 3 का 1.732 है, okay? So in case you don't know, use long division method, okay? So long division method भी पता होना चाहिए, okay? So it will be 16 into 1.732. Multiply and find out the answer. So let's multiply. Okay. Decimal point बाद में put करेंगे. Okay. पहले ऐसे ही multiply करते हैं. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. 6 7s are 42, 43 हो जाएगा and यहाँ पे 10. So 2 3 7 1. What are we getting? 27712 and 3 numbers के बाद decimal point है, right से देखो 3 numbers के बाद है तो 3 numbers के बाद decimal point put करो, 27.712 is the answer, okay? So 27.712. So area of triangle ABD, that is shaded portion, is 27.712 what? Square centimeter. So don't forget the units as well, okay? So 27.712 square centimeter. You can round it off to 2 decimal places. Normally हम लोग round off कर देते हैं, okay? So 27.71 square centimeter. And box the answer. It's better that you write down the final statement. The area of the shaded portion is 27.71 square centimeter, okay? Let's read the next question. Question number 9. Find the area and the perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD given below if AB is equal to 8 cm, AD is equal to 10 cm, BD is equal to 12 cm, DC is equal to 13 cm, and angle DBC is equal to 90 degrees. So we are given the figure over here, which is a quadrilateral, okay? 4-sided figure है ABCD, okay? We need to find out the area and perimeter for this quadrilateral, okay? So let's see what all information we have. Now AB 8 centimeter है, AD is 10 centimeter, BD is 12 centimeter, DC is 13 centimeter, and angle DBC is 90 degrees. Okay. So first we'll focus on area. Area कैसे find out करेंगे for this quadrilateral. So over here students, we don't know what type of quadrilateral it is. Alright, so you cannot apply any specific formula also over here. ऐसा information नहीं दिया है. So what we are going to do is, This quadrilateral is made up of two triangles. One triangle is ABD, okay, and second triangle is BCD. So we'll find out the area of both the triangles and then add it up. Okay, so area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD, we'll add up and we'll get the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so we need to find out area of ABD and area of BCD. Let's see कैसे find out करेंगे, what all information we have. For ABD, okay, ABD के लिए I know AB is 8 centimeter, AD is 10 centimeter and BD is 12 centimeter. So I know all the three sides. So which formula I'll be applying? Heron's formula, है ना? Heron's formula ही applicable है यहाँ पे. So using Heron's formula, what will be the area of triangle ABD? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B and C are the sides. So इसको A ले लेंगे, इसको B, इसको C. Okay, so we know ABC, we need to find out S as well. So S is semi-perimeter, which is sum of all the sides divided by 2. So we'll put the values of A, B and C. Okay, 8, 10, 12, add up करेंगे, divide by 2 करेंगे, we'll get the semi-perimeter. So it's easy to find out the area of the triangle ABD. Now coming to BCD. तो BCD में एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वी नो BCD इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोला है DBC इज 90 डिग्रीज. ओके, इट इज इवन मार्क्ड ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. फॉर अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल स्टूडेंट्स, आई कैन अप्लाई हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट वाला फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. सो फॉर दैट आई एम ड्रॉइंग DBC सेपरेटली, ओके, टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. आई नो BC नहीं है, सॉरी, आई नो BD is 12 centimeter and CD is 13 centimeter. तो ये मुझे नहीं पता है. So to use half into base into height वाला formula, I need to know BC because the sides making the right angle, the sides forming the right angle are base and height. Okay, so मुझे एक quantity पता है, दूसरा नहीं पता है. So I need to find this. Okay, the sides making the right angle are the base and height for a right angle triangle. Okay, तो ये मुझे find out करना है. How will I find out? Using Pythagoras theorem, है ना? तो I know BD square plus BC square will be equal to hypotenuse square, which is CD square or DC square. Okay, so BD मुझे पता है, CD भी पता है, ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, तो BC मुझे मिल जाएगा. वंस आई गेट BC, आई कैन यूज द फॉर्मूला हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. ओके, यहाँ पे बेस BC ले लेंगे एंड हाइट BD ले लेंगे, और वाइस वर्सा, डज नॉट मैटर, अल्टीमेटली मल्टीप्लाई ही करना है. ओके, सो इट विल बी हाफ इंटू BC इंटू BD. ओके, सो फॉर दैट आई नीड BC. ऑल राइट, सो ये भी इजीली मिल जाएगा मुझे एरिया. ओके, सो वंस आई गेट द एरिया ऑफ बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स ABD एंड BCD, आई जस्ट नीड टू एड इट अप एंड आई गेट द एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलैटरल ABCD. ओके, सो वेरी इजी. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर के लिए स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल एड अप द बॉर्डर्स. ओके, तो AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay, so perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD will be the borders. Okay, AB का length plus BC का length plus CD का length plus AD का length. Okay, so BD यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा क्योंकि it is not forming the border of the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral का border हम लोग ऐड कर रहे हैं. Okay, so only AB, BC, CD, AD, the borders of the quadrilateral. Okay, this is inside the quadrilateral. Okay, so only these four sides will add up. All right, now students, one more thing. ये जो BCD triangle है उसमें area I am finding using half into base into height. You can use any other formula. Okay, once you find out BC, you know all the three sides. It's up to you. You can use Heron's formula also. Okay, but for simplicity ये formula अच्छा है. Okay, because easily answer मिल जाएगा. वो Heron's formula will be difficult because it is lengthy. All right, so I'll be using half into base into height over here. Okay, so first let us find out the area of triangle ABD since we have all the information over here. So we'll write down for triangle ABD, AB is 8 centimeter, then AD is 10 centimeter and BD is 12 centimeter. Always write down the given information, students. So I know all the three sides. A, B और C लिख लेते हैं. A is 8 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter and C is 12 centimeter. Okay. Semi perimeter find out करना है. तो semi perimeter is sum of all the sides divided by 2. So 8 plus 10 plus 12 divided by 2. 8 plus 12 हो जाएगा 20. 20 plus 10 30 divided by 2. So that is 15 centimeter. Semi perimeter भी मिल गया. Let us use the formula now. So area of triangle ABD will be root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So that will give 15 into 15 minus 8 into 15 minus 10 into 15 minus 12. Okay. So 15 into 7 into 5 into 3 हो जाएगा. Don't multiply. Instead factorize करो. Okay. So 15 को factorize करेंगे तो it will be 3 into 5 or 5 into 3. Right? So 3 into 5 into 7 into 5 into 3. 2 3s are there. So 1 3. And 2 5s are there. So 1 5. So that will give me 3 into 5 and root में 7 बचेगा. Right? So that will give 15 root 7. So we are getting area of triangle ABD equals to 15 root 7 centimeter square. Right? Now root 7 का value put करना पड़ेगा students. You cannot keep it in root form. Okay? तो decimal value find out करना है. So you should be knowing the value of root 7 or you need to use long division method. Okay? So I'll show you that method as well. कैसे root 7 find out करेंगे. Let us find out the root of 7. So 7 I can write as 7.000000. कितने भी zeros put करूँ matter नहीं करेगा. So over here students, one important thing. ये जो zeros लिखे हैं pair में लिखो. Okay? So one pair of zeros. Okay? तो ऐसे मैंने 3 pairs लिखे हैं. I'll be finding the answer up to 3 decimal places. Okay? So 7.000000. Why? Because पूरा pair ही नीचे आएगा एक साथ. Okay? So 2 numbers come down at the same time. Now 7 है यहाँ पे, तो 7 से छोटा वाला perfect square कौन सा है? A number which is smaller than 7. A perfect square which is smaller than 7. 1. After 1 there is 4. Okay? After 4 there is 9. Okay? So then 16, then 25. So कौन सा वाला नंबर लेंगे? 9 तो बड़ा हो जाएगा. So 4 लेंगे. Okay? 4 is 2 into 2. So 2 का स्क्वायर है. Okay? 2 2s are 4. All right? Subtract करेंगे. Division में subtract करते हैं. Okay? So 7 minus 4 gives 3. This is what we got. अब ये दोनों zeros साथ में आएगा नीचे. So when you're bringing the zeros down, be careful because ये zeros decimal point के बाद है. So you'll put the decimal point over here, then bring the zeros down. Okay. Now over here also you have to do some working. 2 put किया है तो वही same number add करना है. Okay. Here we are subtracting, here we are adding. So 2 plus 2 gives 4. Write it little on the left. यहाँ पे थोड़ा स्पेस छोड़ो, because after 4 we are going to put some number, okay, and we are going to multiply with that same number. Suppose I put 0, then I'll multiply with 0. Suppose I put 1, then I'll multiply with 1. So 40 into 0, 41 into 1, 42 into 2, 43 into 3. Okay, so whatever number I'm putting, I'm multiplying with that same number. Okay, so 4 के पीछे कौन सा नंबर पुट करना है such that I get number smaller than 300 or almost equal to 300. Let's see. 40 into 0 तो नहीं लेंगे, 0 मिलेगा, है ना. 41 into 1 will give 41, so it is much smaller than 300. Let's take 45 into 5, okay. तो 45 into 5 चेक करते हैं. So that will give 225, right? Little smaller. Let's check 46 into 6. जो भी नंबर पुट किया है उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करो, okay. So that will give 276, okay, quite closer to 300. Let's check 47 into 7 also. So 329. So we'll consider this, ये bigger number है, तो 46 into 6 होगा, right? That will give 276. ये subtract होगा, what are we going to get? 24, right? यहाँ पे 6 पुट किया है तो 6 को ही ऐड करेंगे, ओके. So 46 plus 6, that will give 52. Again leave space for one number. थोड़ा 52 लेफ्ट में लिखो, leave some space over here. Again we are going to put some number over here and multiply with that same number. So you're getting an idea कैसे करना है. तो 52 के पीछे एक नंबर पुट करना है. Of course we will not put 0, okay. Before that ये दोनों zeros को नीचे लेकर आना है, okay. So 521 into 1, that will be much smaller than 2400. So let's take 524 into 4, देखते हैं क्या मिलता है. So 524 into 4, so we are getting 2096, okay. Let's try 525 into 5, देखते हैं क्या मिल रहा है. 2625, it's bigger, तो यही लेंगे 524 into 4. तो put 4, multiplying with 4, what are we getting? 2096. यहाँ पे 4 ऐड करेंगे, यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा, यहाँ पे एडिशन होगा, ओके. सो दैट विल गिव 528, ओके. Over here we need to subtract, all right. So that will give 304 if I'm not wrong, right? 304 मिल रहा है. Again दो zeros नीचे लेकर आएंगे. You will write this little bit on the left. यहाँ पे नंबर कुछ पुट करना है, okay? So we need 30,400. So 5 to 8 के पीछे क्या पुट करेंगे? Let's try 5285 into 5, okay? Try करते हैं. So 5285 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 42 हो जाएगा, correct? 5 2s are 10, 14, and your 26425 we are getting. Let's try 5286 into 6. So this bigger. So यही होगा 5285 into 5, that will give 26425. I'm not solving further, students. I want to find only up to 3 decimal places, okay? So you know how to solve now. 4-5 decimal places तक find out कर सकते हैं. So 3 decimal places is okay. So 15 into root 7 is 2.645, okay? Approximate value. So multiply करो. 2645 into 15. So 39675. We need to put decimal point. 3 numbers के बाद decimal point है right से, so put the decimal point. 39.675 square centimeter. Of course don't forget the unit. Okay, तो ये एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABD है. अभी एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BCD भी फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BCD. फॉर दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड BC फर्स्ट यूजिंग Pythagoras theorem. Now considering triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, what all information we have? We know BD, it is 12 centimeter. What else? BC is 13 centimeter. And we know angle DBC is 90 degrees. So write that as well. Angle DBC is equal to 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. Okay. Since it is a right angle triangle, I can apply Pythagoras theorem. So using or applying by Pythagoras theorem, no short forms. By Pythagoras theorem, we have BD square plus BC square is equal to DC square. अब BD क्या है? 12 है. Plus BC we don't know, we need to find out. Is equal to 13 square. DC is 13. So 144 plus BC square is equal to 169. Right? So that will give 169 minus 144, which is 25. Taking square root, we'll get 5. Right? So BC मिल गया. Okay. So don't forget the units. All right. And over here, write down taking square root on both the sides. Whenever you are squaring, taking square root, cubing, taking cube root, always write down, students. Give reason. Okay. So taking square root on both the sides. Now BC मिल गया है. For the right angle triangle, I have base and height. So for a right angle triangle, the sides forming the right angle are base and height. Okay. So ये 12 है, ये 5 है. Okay. Half into base into height, that is half into 12 into 5. Let's find out the answer. So area of triangle BCD is equal to half into base is BC and height is BD. Does not matter. BD को भी base ले सकते हैं, BC को height ले सकते हैं. Ultimately you're multiplying. So BC we just found 5 है, BD 12 है, 2 6 so 30 square centimeter. Okay. BCD का एरिया भी मिल गया, 30 है. Okay. Let's add up the two areas. We'll get the area of the quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. ABD का एरिया मिला था 39.675. You can round off to 68. Okay. Plus 30. Okay. So that will give 69.68 square centimeter. Don't forget the units, students. Please don't forget the units. Okay. So we got the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. It's better that you write down the statement. The area of quadrilateral ABCD is 69.68 square centimeter. Okay. Now let us find out the perimeter. अब सारा साइज पता है बॉर्डर का, तो बॉर्डर का साइज ही ऐड करना है. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So perimeter of quadrilateral ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay. BD नहीं आएगा. BD is the diagonal over here. So that will give 8 plus 5 plus 13 plus 10. So this is 13, 13 plus 13, 26, 26 plus 10, 36. Okay. Centimeter. Don't forget the unit. Box कर दो आंसर को. Okay.